Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. This is a brand new episode, and we're going to talk about some of the biggest news that came out today. It's April 27th, and I came across this article on Coin Telegraph. Brazil Senate approves Bitcoin law to regulate cryptocurrencies. It's a historic day for cryptocurrencies in Brazil, as the Senate has finally approved the country's first bill aimed at regulating the crypto market. So Brazil is becoming now one of the South American countries to regulate crypto. And I believe that they want to get involved and start receiving a lot of the revenue that they're seeing, that how cryptocurrency is not going away and it's going to become an important role in the economy. So let's continue along the article to see what it says. So Brazil Senate has passed the country's first bill governing cryptocurrencies in the plenary session, which will set the stage for the creation of regulatory framework for the country's crypto industry. The bill must be approved by the Chamber of Deputies and then signed off by President Bolsonaro to become law in the country. This is expected to occur by the end of 2022, according to experts who spoke with Cointelegraph Brazil. So by the end of the year, they're estimating that this is the framework's already going to be done, and they're going to start regulating crypto. So that's pretty quick. You know, right now we're in late April. And so in just a couple months, they believe that they're going to have it all wrapped up and ready to go to regulate crypto. So let's read along the article and see what else it says. So the session that approved the project was chaired by the Senate President Rodrigo Pacheco, who said, "I want to congratulate the rapporteur of the project, Senator Araja, for the approval here in the plenary of the Senate for this important bill." Federal Deputy Aurelio Ribeiro first proposed the bill in 2015. The bill was then approved in the Senate following lengthy deliberation on Tuesday, combining Senator Ribeiro's bill with Senator Arndt's bill, for which Senator Arajas was the rapporteur. So this bill was proposed in 2015, and we're in 2022. So it is 7 years later that this bill is finally passing, and I think they see the writing on the wall, how Bitcoin, cryptos, and that is becoming an important role in today's world economy, and especially with inflation, that a lot of people are putting their money into crypto because of inflation. They're just eating away people's savings. So let's read along the article and see what else it says. So during the session, the Senate confirmed that the country's executive branch would be responsible for formulating rules for crypto assets and could either create a new regulator or delegate its powers to Securities and Exchanges Commission or the Central Bank of Brazil. The session also saw several senators, including the bill's author, Senator Arndt's, focusing discussion on appropriate penalties for crypto crimes, especially fraud. According to Senator Arndts, the penalties for this type of crime should be scaled according to the amount of fraud, money laundering, and other white-collar crimes committed, he said. So they want to make sure that for anyone who commits any type of crime, that the amount of penalties and fines and whatever it may be should be according to the crime that they committed. So I believe that's pretty good, Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to comment, subscribe. This is Money Moves. Let's go along the article, see what else it says. The penalties must be proportionate to the amount of the value affected by this type of crime. So whoever committed a crime of US $1 billion causing damage to thousands of people would have a greater penalty than someone who affected less value. Makes sense. To me, that seems reasonable. So it's kind of hard to come up with a rebuttal to that. Senator Arndt's proposal was backed by Senator Rose de Freitas, who called for a greater punishment for crimes involving cryptocurrencies and said that the Brazilian market has already moved more than 40 billion in Brazil. Senator also discussed incentivizing crypto miners to open shop in Brazil, since there will be a complete tax exemption for the import of ASIC mining devices into the country. So this is big. I think this is a very important part that they're discussing, how you're going to get a tax exemption for mining in Brazil. So is this now, I think it's all of this is, I believe all these countries want to get in on the revenue, and by offering these tax incentives, they want to generate revenue by people coming in and mining in Brazil. And then when people mine and say people are making profits, then they also will be taxing other aspects of their spending. So this is big, where now people are going to now flock to Brazil, supposedly, and be able to be able to mine crypto tax-free. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you see a decent amount of influx of people going to Brazil to then mine crypto. So Bernardo, Senior Vice President of Digital Currencies Division of the American mining company CleanSpark, pointed out that the cryptocurrency market needs specific regulation so that institutional investors who are adverse to risk feel encouraged and protected by investing in crypto mining in South America's largest country, he said. Regulation is very welcome. The trend is for Brazil to follow the largest economies in the world and facilitate the mining of these coins on Brazilian soil. The bill does not appear to face many challenges in the Chamber of Deputies, where it must be approved in a plenary session before being sent to President Bolsonaro before becoming law. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if this is going to actually create a big impact in the crypto market. Do you believe that people will now start flocking to Brazil to start mining cryptocurrencies because they do get a tax exemption? So let me know in the comments below. This is Money Moves. This is a brand new episode. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Peace.